Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics from Mr. Simons. Today's trigonometry lesson, we're looking at the fourth of four variations where we give you the diagram sum problems given two equations. Right, so we're going to test whether you can make two drawings and work from both drawings to answer a question. Nice question for grade 12 even, where we learn about compound angles. So they say if cos alpha equal minus 4 over 5 with the alpha element from 90 to 180, so that's strictly second quadrant, and sine beta equal 5 over 13 with beta element of 90 to 270, so that's second and third quadrant, but we're drawing in the quadrant where sine is positive. Right, secondly I need to know cos is x over r, so they've given me x value of negative 4 and r value of 5. So in the second quadrant, if I draw this, x is negative 4, r is 5, and I need to find y. On this side here, sine is positive also in the second quadrant, but remember, 5 represents y and 13 represents r because sine is y over r. So I have y which is 5, and I have r which is 13. I need to find x. Right, they want me to solve with the aid of the diagram, sine alpha plus tan beta. So I need to remember alpha this side, beta that side, right? So beware, because that is when we give you there, you'll decide choosing on the same equation. That's just based on what we've marked over the last 20 years, what I've seen learners do over and over. So I'm just trying to make you aware of how we catch you out. So from the one, y squared equal r squared minus x squared. R was 5 and x was 4. So 25 minus the 16 gives me 9. Y squared is plus minus square root 9, but in the second quadrant, y is positive. So y equal 3, y not equal to negative 3. Other drawing also in the second quadrant, x squared equal r squared minus y squared. R being 13, so 13 squared minus 5 squared, so 169 minus 25, which gives me 144. So square root of x equal plus minus square root 144. But in the second quadrant, x is negative and x not positive. So x equal negative 12 or x equal 12. Right, so remember this is from alpha and that there is from beta. So sine alpha plus tan beta, so alpha sine y over r, my y is 3 and my r is 5, so therefore 3 over 5. Tan beta is from this side, so tan is y over x, right? So my y value here is 5 and my x value is negative 12, right? If we add them, yeah, just cross multiply. 3 times negative 12 gives me negative 36. 5 times negative 12 gives me negative 6. 5 times 5 gives me 25. Negative 12 times 5 gives me negative 60. Now my two denominators are the same, so I can add the numerators. So minus 36 plus 25 gives me negative 9. So negative 9 over 60 simplifies to 3 over 20. And that is my final answer. So that is how we work when we give you a diagram sum where there are two equations given and you must do two drawings. Right? So if you know all the variations of the diagram sum, you should be able to score the 8, even 10 out of 10. Right? So continue practicing. Make sure you know all four variations for exam. It's a definite exam question. God bless. Bye.